Installation instructions for the Universal Hardware Rim Exit Device with Lever Trim. Here are the tools required for installation. The product comes with everything else you will need. The exit device can be used on single doors or double doors with a mullion. If your door is narrower than 36 inches, remove the end cover and cut section A of the device body to the desired length. Preparing the door. For the interior side of the door, first measure 40 inches from the floor. Place the provided template into position by using the small cutout to match your indicated centerline and secure with tape. Use a hammer and punch to mark the hole. Remove the template and using a 3/16 inch bit, drill a small pilot hole. Then drill a 2 1/8 inch hole for the center hole. Now move to the exterior side and measure 40 inches from the floor. Then measure 2 3/4 inches from the edge of the door to establish your center line. Use a hammer and punch to mark the hole. Once the holes are marked, first drill a small pilot hole. Then drill a 2 1/8 inch hole for the center hole. Now measure 5/16 of an inch from the bottom of the hole and 5/16 inch from the top of the hole for the two alignment holes. The two marks should be 2 3/4 inches apart. Use a hammer and punch to mark the holes. First drill a small pilot hole. Then drill 2 3/8 inch holes. Using the alignment holes, insert the lever into the exterior side and secure with the mounting plate and 2 screws. By removing the screws that hold each piece, remove the end cover from the mounting bracket and the head cover from the device body. Align the tailpiece receiver of the exit device and the lever trim tailpiece so it slides into the tailpiece receiver. Using the exit device as a guide, use a pencil to indicate the mounting holes. Use a hammer and punch to mark the holes. Then drill small pilot holes. Align the tailpiece and the tailpiece receiver, the screw holes on the exit device head with the mounting holes on the door and secure with 1 screw. Again, using the exit device as a guide for length, measure 40 inches from the floor to find the center line for the end of the device. Now match the end cover mounting bracket with your previously indicated center line and mark the holes. Using a 3/16 inch bit, drill your pilot holes and secure the end cover mounting bracket with 2 screws. Install and tighten the mounting screws for the head. Place the head cover and the end cover onto the body and tighten the screws securely. To install the roller strike, with the door in the closed position, mark the center line of the latch bolt on the door jamb. Place the roller strike on the door jamb and align the center of the roller strike with the center of the latch bolt mark on the jamb, and align the outside edge of the roller strike with the outside edge of the door jamb. Mark the center of the 2 adjustable slotted holes with a hammer and a punch. Then drill 7/32 inch pilot holes. Install the strike with 2 screws and close the door to check if the latch bolt extends properly. Note: install the strike shim unless the bar head cover rubs the roller strike. If the bar head cover rubs the roller strike, remove the strike shim to gain additional clearance. Adjust the roller strike if necessary. Once the roller strike is in its final position, drill a 7/32 inch pilot hole in the center and secure with a screw. Push the actuating bar to open and close the door a few times to test the operation of the exit device. Your new Universal Hardware Rim Exit Device with Lever Trim is now ready for use.